Bisula, step innovation technology. Ow.
Mike Roche.
Sikwilonje lena listening session ye-album lami le-hip hop le-hip hop lobo umoya wamanika umoya wamanika Jabula Manika
Jabula Manika.
Okay, sikwi-album ke namhlanje lizophuma namhlanje ebusuku ngo-12.
Awathi kuzoba mnandi kakhulu. Ake sidrayive nje siguduze kamnandi kulezi ngoma zo-12 and then ekugcineni sobe sesikwazi ukuthi sibuze inkabi ngisho ngabe futhi ngingasondibhekile halikhethi nalendlala yevini phela singahlile yebo kwakubuhlungu kodwa ugogo wayezama yesebenze emakhishini nomntu wakhe wayemthanda esibuyela nokudla okusalile mabekahle zama kusemandleni ukuthi sivale indlala kodwa intombi endala yagcina ngokushiya mina hip-hop ngidalakala bafana bami nina ngigcwele ukubalaba kule game angingabonja banjani ngicela umdlaleli phakafaka kodwa ngiyekile ngisibelile baba pro ngifika ngisikhithi hello ngikele ntabiyaki double speed uthakolo ikhile stop I'm taking off like a rocket right now
I had a session with Doss, and Doss did the hook first, and it was just the hook for a while. And then me and Big Zulu connected, and then Big Zulu came through. And we did one song first, and then after he did that verse, I was like, yeah, I got this song with Doss. He's got a nice chorus.
We can't keep up now, so it was on
Sanibona album launch bafethu mina nje ngicela on behalf of independent records labels ngicela ukuthi ngibongele iNkabi Records ukuthi kwazi ukuthi survive kunzima ukusurvive lana yashisa insimbi ngoba ama-major labels nawo asibambile so mawukuthi iyakwazi ukuthi iphumelele i-independent records label eyodwa ibe successful thina siyajabula siyilapho nathi sisekhona sayibambile singathi abanye bangaqhubeka bayibambe phambili ngeNkabi Records phambili washa
usiya wale wathi usho nathi kwathi ufisa ukuphisana Kodi buzzing sele. Inti kaufela. Ifuna ni muntu ori. Izulu uwile maka kamanga. Anjoyze kila inefi. Hakiri kaku.
I'm here in close support. I'm here to support you. And I'm going to
This is hip hop.